What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. As you can see, I am back from Hawaii. Had a long flight back. It takes about 5 hours, and then we flew into Los Angeles, but I live in San Diego because it was a better deal to fly that way, and then we ended up flying Los Angeles to San Diego, which is literally like a 25-minute flight. Super quick, but we had a layover. Ended up being about 7 hours of travel, so a little bit tired. Got up today. You're probably sick of hearing me talk about it. Let's get into the news. First story of the day is if you have a Galaxy Fold, which is probably all but none of you, but if you do, or if you're curious about Galaxy Fold news, there is some exclusive themes in the theme store on your Galaxy Fold. So all you're gonna do is, press and hold on the home screen, click on themes at the bottom there, and then you'll be able to see there's gonna be like a banner. You just click that, exclusive themes. And again, you can download exclusive themes that kind of change the look of your Galaxy Fold, which I think is cool. Why not? If they're, you're paying $2,000, give me some exclusive stuff, and they obviously do that. So it's nice to see that Samsung's, giving you a little bit extra for free. And our last story of the day, very, very slow news day, is all about the Galaxy S10. Now, as you know, I've talked about this even last week, is that the Galaxy S10 and Note 10 are virtually, in a lot of ways anyway, minus the S Pen, turning into a very, very, very similar phone over the last couple of years. Spec-wise, they've been very close. Even software-wise, they've been fairly close, and they're adding even more features to the S10 to match it up with the Note 10. So the AR Doodle is one of the new things. That's when, at least on the Galaxy Note 10, you pop out your S Pen, you have at the bottom AR Doodle, and when you go into AR Doodle, you can go in here and kind of record a video, and it'll find your face or whatever you want and draw on it and do all kinds of stuff with the S Pen. Well, it's a little bit different on the Galaxy S10. The way you do it on that phone is you open the camera app and then you switch to video mode. Then you hit the AR Doodle icon in the top right corner of the display. And then you can switch between face and everywhere mode depending upon if someone's face is near you or there. And then you can just start doodling on the screen with your finger. You don't have to use a S Pen, obviously, because you don't have an S Pen. So that is how you AR Doodle on your Galaxy S10. Again, this update will be coming out periodically for these phones. It's out for, I've seen people in Europe, but America, I don't think it's out. At least I haven't seen that it's out just yet. You guys will probably have to wait until 2 years from now before you get it, but no, that's a joke. You'll probably end up getting that over the next few months or month here from here on out with more Note 10 features built into the S10 line of phones. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question out to you guys is, are you happy that a lot of these Note 10 features are coming over to the S10? Does it kind of piss you off that you got the Note 10 and maybe you had the S10 or whatever? Does it piss you off that these phones are becoming almost identical at this point? And then remember, next year Galaxy One is supposed to be the culmination of the S11 and the Note 11 as one phone. So basically an S11 with an S Pen, and then completely remove the Note 11. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. And then also, I know some of you are probably waiting for my thoughts of going from an iPhone to or leaving the Note 10 and going over to the iPhone and how I feel about all that. I will be releasing videos over the next few days as I get the time to let you know my thoughts on that. So thanks for watching. See you guys down the road. Peace!